Breaking news, guys. The former vice president criticizes Supreme Court over inconsistent rulings. Honestly speaking, today Nigerian judiciary is in shambles. You understand? We don't even know the one they are. And this is just the worst part of it. You get, if our judiciary is like this, our INEC like this, our security operatives is like this, that means the country is finished. And that is the reason why we are facing what we are facing today in Nigeria. These are people, these are bodies who are supposed to, at least stand for the law. So then they talk, say, the court now be poor man last hope. But today, there is nothing like that. Look at the Kanu's case. The same court will give different judgments. Different judges, but the same courts, they will give different judgments. Same thing happened in 2023 presidential election between President Bola Ahmed TINUBU, Peter Obi, and Atiku Abubakar. Up till now, they have not repented. They are still here. Nigerians will tell you, instead of me to go to, court, it's better I go to Ogun Shrine or Amadioha, because those ones, they will give you justice. The Nigerian judiciary is finished. So guys, I am going to drop this video for you, what the former vice president have said, concerning the Nigerian judiciary and their method. There is inconsistencies, inconsistent rulings. You understand? In their method. This one are Prospect Channel TV. We don't come back again with another Ubonga update. I beg. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, make it go viral. Thank you. The former Vice President, Osinbajo, has called for a fundamental restructuring of Nigerians' legal and judiciary philosophy, especially the tendency of courts prioritizing technicalities over substantive justice. Osinbajo, a professor of law, spoke yesterday in Ilori, the Kwara State capital, at the second Professor Yasif Ali's annual lecture organized by the Kwara State University. The former vice president said the essence of any justice system is to serve the people, not to glorify procedural formalities. He expressed concern that many judiciary decisions, including those of the Supreme Court, High Court, often leaned towards form rather than substance. Even English courts, whose practice we inherited, have evolved beyond such writ technicalities by allowing amendment at any stage to ensure justice is done, he said. Osinbajo posited that Nigerians' continued attachment to outdated technicalities undermined justice and eroded public trust in the judiciary. In view of this, I urge the legal practitioners, academicians, and policymakers to adopt critical decolonial thinking to reform legal education, legal practice, and the administration of justice, he said. Though the Supreme Court has occasionally adopted a more feasible approach, particularly in electoral matters, inconsistency remains a major concern. It is important to note that a justice system that glorifies from over substance risks losing its relevance and effectiveness, he said. So guys, if I heard it now, they all know the truth, but it's just that the cabal that is sitting on this matter, this judiciary, our electoral system. In fact, let me just push the electoral system one side. Our judiciary system is finished. That is the truth. Sometimes you gonna think say na script where they don't rehearse. then they give out as judgments. It doesn't make sense. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Please drop your comments below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.